Hey guys, it's Kylie, and as we can see, I am in a towel right now, and I just got out the shower. I should probably put something on. There you go. Much better now. Okay, let me update you guys. I lost another one because as this one, it kept on getting caught in my hair, so I just rip it off. And honestly, these are really hard to rip off. Like, I can't rip off any of the other ones. It has to get stuck in my hair. Yeah. Anyways, today we are going to the pool because it's our last day in this resort that we're staying in. It's a campground, not a resort, but okay. And I brought all of my swimsuits with me. We get to pick and choose from a lot. Okay, we changed. This is the swimming, but I don't know about the bottoms. So we're gonna change into these bottoms. We got these bottoms on. This is the swimming. Top from Shein's, bottoms from Shein too. Now I gotta do a cover up. Or just one shirt, shorts. We went with the rompers from Shein too. This is the romper. I'll have these tops and bottoms and the romper linked down below. But this romper, like, the straps did not fit me at all. So I had to literally like go like to the highest you can go, but like it's so tight in here that I can honestly barely like zip it back up. So definitely size up. Now I need to go and brush my teeth and do my hair and eat. After that, I'm going to put on some BB cream because it has SPF 30. So let's do it, and then after that, I'm gonna put on some Aquaphor. Don't move, guys. I'm using it as a mirror. Okie dokie. That's it. OJ, you can't see that. It's been a while since I've had some orange juice. Look at this Breggy. Oh, I love Breggy. Look at how pretty she is. Grapes, orange, apple, sausages, and bagel. It's perfect. Best Breggy. Even this afternoon. Go toilet. See you after. Okay, we're all ready for the pool. I got my sunglasses. We got the box. Mother's got her bag. My teeth look really white. Okay, that's kind of scary. Gigi is watching. I don't even know what he's watching.
Okay, are you ready to get out of here?
Yes.
Get your water.
Oh, I already have one of them.
I filled that one up for you.
Okay. Damn. I wish I had like pockets or something, but I don't. Anyways, see you later. Guess what, Dad? I did a swimming workout. What? It went away. Oh, it's because I never edited it. I did it for like 50 minutes, 49, 46. I have 212 active calories, 263 total calories, 58 laps, and 6,882 runs.
We're gonna go grill some burgers. What are you gonna eat?
6,000. Hot dog. You mean hot dogs?
Yeah. You want him to grill it?
You can take this out of us.
You don't need those?
Ooh. Give me my book. Okay, see you guys later. Long time no see. So it's 8:37 right now. I just took my shower. As you can see, my hair's all wet. I got my PJs and I have to start packing up because tomorrow we leave for Orlando. The worst part of all of this is packing up, and then I have to go in the truck for like 2 hours. But I'm actually going to go, after I pack up some things, I'm gonna go use a little Revlon brush thingy and blow out my hair because I haven't done that in a while, and I just want to. I want some volumization to my hair. Fun thing. I don't know how to pack up. I just need to like basically straighten up some things. Oh, I need to grab my shoes. Oh, and then I need to go into the shower, grab my speaker, and grab my face wash, because if those stay in there, then they ain't staying in there. They're gonna be out. You know what, actually, I'm not gonna put my cleanser away. I usually put it away. I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna put her in this little cabinet down here with the rest of the stuff. Now we're done with the shower area. I need to put some supplies in my quote-unquote carry-on. You guys know, that's what I called it. In my pack with me. One of the eyes in the corner, it'll be linked. Probably gonna brush my teeth or read or watch some Netflix on my phone or my iPad. Well, connect it. Never mind. I'll see you when I'm doing something. Scratch that. My hair is kind of drying right now, so I'm gonna go and do the Revlon thingy and while watching Netflix. So what I used before this is I put all of my Launch products. If you guys want to know what products I use from Launch, go watch my self-care routine vloggy thingy. I always say vloggy thingy because like basically all my videos are vlogs because I always talk. So go watch that video. But I usually use the Glass Hair Thermal Blow Up Primer from Launch. Launch, please sponsor me because you're the only hair products that I ever use for my hair. Like literally, you want to know what's in here? Straight Launch products, because these are like the only products that work on my hair and don't make them like that frizzy. And that's literally it. I actually have another product. Oh my gosh, I left that in there. I left my hair lotion in there. Whatever. Okay, come on guys. Let's go blow out my hair. I know you guys want to see it. Guys, Friends is on TV. I'm freaking out.